She gave the book to. She gave the book to him. If anyone have questions can ask me. If anyone have questions they can ask me. John and I went to the store bought some groceries. John and I went to the store we bought some groceries. The teacher asked the students to submit assignment. The teacher asked the students to submit their assignment. Everyone in the class should bring own lunch. Everyone in the class should bring their own lunch. The cat licked paws. The cat licked its paws. Sarah and Tom are coming over will arrive around 5 p.m. Sarah and Tom are coming over they will arrive around 5 p.m. Who left jacket on the table? Who left his jacket on the table? The committee reached decision yesterday. The committee reached their decision yesterday. This is the book that I told you about is really interesting. This is the book that I told you about it is really interesting. The children enjoyed time at the park. The children enjoyed their time at the park. Each student must submit report by Friday. Each student must submit her report by Friday. My brother and I took care of own responsibilities. My brother and I took care of our own responsibilities. Did anyone call while I was out? Did not leave a message. Did anyone call while I was out? They did not leave a message. Neither of the answers were correct and needs to be revised. Neither of the answers were correct, it needs to be revised. Someone left a backpack in the classroom. Someone left his or her backpack in the classroom. My parents are on vacation, so are taking care of the house. My parents are on vacation, so we are taking care of the house. This is a photo of my friends and Ansko are all smiling. This is a photo of my friends and they are all smiling. Well done.